The air press swing. Away heat press features a convenient and safe 90 swing. Away design, making loading and unloading a breeze. With its 40x50 hem heating platen, it is perfect for decorating t-shirts and other garments. Versatile and easy to use, it is ideal for DTF transfers, sublimation, HTV, and a wide range of DIY crafts.